In today's quick tip, let me show you a free online tool that will help you create more realistic shadows. Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is the Headlight Reference Tool. It's a free online application that was created about 5 years ago. I call it an application because it's a tool that helps us complete a specific task, and in our case, it will help us create shadows from different light angles. This is the female version. If you scroll down, you will see that there's also a male version available. Let me click on it so you can take a quick look. Now very quickly, let me mention that the two versions work the same way, so simply choose the one that best suits your project. Alright, back to the female version. To activate the application, click the play button. Now let me show you what these buttons on the side do. The application has a full screen button. Click on it to get to the full screen view and click on it again to get back to the default settings. The layer views button is not relevant to our current task. Clicking this button will display different views of the head, with each layer labeled according to its function, such as topology, gloss, reflectivity, albedo, and normals. The last button is the Help button, which displays exactly the same instructions that are located below the head. The only difference here being that we can read them better. So let's follow the instructions shown below the head. Use the left mouse button to rotate the head. Leave your finger pressing that button and move your mouse around. As you try it, you'll notice that it's very difficult to tilt the head. So try your best and see what you can do. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Use your right mouse button to move the head. You can move it from side to side and up or down. Double-click on your left mouse button and the view will reset to normal. So let me move the head in different positions and I will reset the camera. Double-click, double-click, and double-click. Hold the Shift key and the left mouse button to add a secondary light source. Now to see the light move, you need to move the cursor around the head. Time to use the primary light source functionality. You can either click the play button and let the light source move around the head, and then click pause when you see a desired lighting. Or you can manually move the light source by dragging the cursor on the timeline back and forth. Your choice. Now if you click on this little button, you will see that you can also change the speed of how fast the light is moving around the head. The tour is over. Time to try. Position the head as close as possible as your model. Then take a screenshot of it. Maybe add it on a layer above your painting. Now the only thing to do is use the image as a reference and add your shadows. So for this quick tip, I'll only demonstrate the primary shadows. Thank you for watching. I hope this tip will help you create more realistic shadows. I'll see you next time. Au revoir et à bientôt.